Na-shock ming tanan, taga-biway silog, tagsaan gid mi og tag 10,000 ni siya guys. Kung palitan ninyo sa online or sa ilang store, it's 10,000 pesos. Wow, Fiesta. Oh my God. There you go, guys. Naanatay daghang kapili ang kanta. Mga songs sa Bee Gees, Air Supply, Carpenters, o mga bag-o pa diha. O, diba? Naanatay mga kantahon. O, daghan nga kapilian, guys. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Margrette. If you're watching this from Facebook, don't forget to like and follow my page. If you're watching this from YouTube, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to tap on that notification bell so that you will be aware of new uploads. So if you remember, during Sinulog, our friends from Cat PR and also from Wow Fiesta visited Cebu and invited us for a media karaoke night. So together with my media friends and also Bisaya YouTubers Club, we went to Park Lane and had fun that night. Nagsing along me, nangaon mi og mga Filipino food, and to our surprise, everyone went home with their individual Wow Fiesta karaoke boxes. So salamat kayo Cat PR and also Wow Fiesta for the trust, for entrusting us during that media karaoke night with your Wow Fiesta Melody 10 Plus na karaoke set. So I'll be unboxing this right now. Wala pa rin ako nagamit kay wala mi TV. So baka naman TV na po sunod mag-sponsor. So moto siya. So, TV brands, I'm still open. Wala pa ko yung TV brand na gi-promote. So, anyway, going back, Wow Fiesta Melody 10 Plus. This includes a wired mic, unlimited song expansion, multimedia, thousands of built-in songs, full HD, USB HDD, and car-friendly. And this is brought to you by Grand Videoke. So, do not accept if the seal is broken. So, naa siya assurance, guys, that the products that you are receiving are quality products because naagi siya seal. Okay, ato na siya ablihan ron. Okay, so upon opening the box, you will be welcomed by a remote control. It's also encased in a plastic container, and also the actual Wow Fiesta na song box, music box. So I'll be unwrapping the box to show you the features. Okay, Wow Fiesta. They have 2 ports. They only give you one wired microphone, but you have your own freedom. You have your freedom to use any other microphones you have, or you can even use wireless microphones if naamo, guys. You're free to use them. 2 slots over here, and then this is for the remote, the infrared for the remote, and the USB slot for the USB katong mga gisavan sa inyong music here. And napod sila built-in songs, thousands of them are here. And at the back is the IR in, and the HDMI port is here, and also the video audio out here, video out, audio out here, left and right, and then DC 12V 1A port is here, and also the power button is at the back, on and off. Okie dokes. So, I think you can also put this on your wall here. Muna siya ang port sa butanganan sa screw, and then patunin niya siya. But anyway, you can put this on your table. Wala gid may problema. So once again, this is the box for the Wow Fiesta. Beneath it, so under anina case is a user's guide and the cables, and also naa siya battery for your remote and a USB. I think the songs are in there. naabot to sila ipakapin na USB gipada nato. So aside from that, of course, is the wired microphone. They also have another version of the Wow Fiesta, duha ka buok wireless microphones, but it's a bit pricey. This is actually around 10,000 pesos. So nakuyawan jud mi guys. Okay. Seldom ra kayo ng kliyente na maghatag og PR kit, like a thank you for coming to our event kit na worth 10K. Tagsara kay na. So na-shock mi tanan taga BYC lagi tagsaan gid mi og tag 10,000 ni siya guys. Kung palitan ninyo sa online or sa ilang store, it's 10,000 pesos. So, mo na siya. Daghan kayong salamat. It's actually a dream come true, no? Kailang ganahan jud ko sa una pa lang magkanta-kanta and mga tugan may videokehan na kanang hughug og 5. Ganahan jud ko kanus pa man ko maka-videoke, pero karon wala pa man may TV. Agwanta sa taginagmay pero naanay videoke naghulat nato. So again, a wired microphone is included in the box. And what's this? The adapter. And of course, the songbook, song list and manual, Wow Fiesta. Oh my god. There you go guys. Naanatay daghang kapili ang kanta, mga songs sa Bee Gees, Air Supply, Carpenters, o mga bag-o pa diha. O diba? Naanatay mga kantahon. O daghan nga kapilian guys. So kung ganahan mo, imbitaron ko ninyong pista. O sige, magdako sa akong Wow Fiesta. Inalang ko daan. Wala yung problema. Anyway, so thank you so much once again, Wow Fiesta and Cat PR, for the trust for entrusting Margrette Vlogs and Bisaya YouTubers Club to join the media karaoke night last Sinulog 2023 at Park Lane Hotel. Thank you so much once again. Looking forward to more brand partnerships with you, Cat PR, and also Wow Fiesta. Please let us know if you have any promotions. We are excited to get your promo soon. So once again, guys, Wow Fiesta, please visit their page. They are in Facebook at Wow Fiesta. Makita ra gyud ninyo sila dito guys. I think they have almost 200,000 followers there. And also Cat PR, I have been talking for almost 8 minutes na. If you are looking for alternatives for your karaoke needs, they have Grand Videoke, has a lot of variations, a lot of varieties to choose from. Wow Fiesta is just one of them. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you on my next vlog. I hope naka-react na mong heart ani na video, and don't forget to like and follow my page if you want to see more of my videos and updates. And if you're watching this from YouTube, please don't forget to like also this video, leave comments, leave questions in the comment section. Also, subscribe. Hit that subscribe button if wala pa. Tap on that notification bell so that you will be aware of new uploads. Thank you so much once again for your support. I hope to see you in my next vlog, lovies. Bye!